guys, and I want to specially thank for all of my viewers for the last two videos which I achieved more than 600 viewers in there, and we discuss about that we are going to make plan to make some videos on data science, artificial intelligence and machine learning. So today I just come here to download my videos on Python. But before that, we have to learn, we have to know that why we are just learning through these things, data science or the AI/ML, why we should learn the Python. We have the different language in the market, C, C++, Java. But right now the Python is very much important because data science field, if you see that language is depending on R and the Python, then why we should learn the Python? Because plenty of new things is updated a certain period of time. So if we learn the Python, there are plenty of job opportunities are there in the market, in the gaming field, in the web development field, as well the data science field. So many libraries are there which are very much comfortable and easy to use in the data science field. So that's why we are favoring the Python language comparatively to R language. So right now, if we want to know the Python, then we have to, the first step is that we have to know the Python language. So how we can install the Python in a local system? So that things I am showing right now. In the Google web page, you have to be just type it the Python. We just type it in the Google page the Python. Then we are just seeing the first option, that python.org. This is the official website of the Python. Then we just click on the first option, and then we can see that about download, documentation, community, different parameters are there. For the download, we just click on the download. If we click on the download, for me, my system is a Mac. That's why I just directly see I can just directly download from this option. If I click on that, then I can download this there. If your system is the Windows, then you can directly see the Windows options to Windows Python downloading options in here. If you are not seeing in here, then you can see here the Windows is written there. Just click on the Windows, then you can see the different versions is there. Python 3.12.8, 3.13.1, 3.11.11. So whatever the version you want to download, you can just go in the link, you can download it from there. And in here you can see there are two options are there, the 64-bit and 32-bit. What are those things? If you go in your system in the about section, then you can just check your system, that is the whether that is the 32-bit or the 64-bit. Accordingly you have to be downloaded that version, otherwise the Python will not support on your system. If your system is 32-bit, then you can just download it from there. If your system is 64-bit, then you have to be downloaded from that link. That is the Python version of 3.12.8. The same thing will be applicable on 3.13.1 or 3.11.11. That is the whole process of the Python download on your local system. The second point is that the most important part is that is the Anaconda platform. So we know that the Python is more, there are plenty of compiler is available in the market like the VS Code, Anaconda. But for the Python and for the data science, Anaconda is the most compatible or the best platform where you can just use your code, Python code, and you can make your own project. So for that reason, you have to know how to download the Anaconda as well. So for that step, we just go in the Google page again, and we just type it the Anaconda. Then we can see the first option, that is again the Anaconda web page. Then we just click on there for the Anaconda web page. When we click on there, we can see in the right side that is the sign up, sign in, and the free download option. We can just click on the free download option. Then we can see that we have the login options. So for if you are the first time user, you have to give your email address and you have to submit and log in there. And if you already log in, then you can just skip registrations, because I already logged in there, so I just skip the login registration. Then you can find out three different options in there. Anaconda installers, that is the downloaded options for Mac, or if your system is the Windows, then you have to be just downloaded from this option. You have to click on there. If your system is the Mac, then again you have to check it, that is the 64-bit, that is the Intel chip or the Mac chip. Then you have to be just check this one, then you have to be download accordingly. And if your system is Linux or the Linux, you can just download it from there. That's all about the download of the Python and download of the Anaconda in your system. And right now you're ready to use the Python, and you are just going ahead, you are just taking the first step. After seeing the video, you are, if you are able to successfully download it all the Python and the Anaconda in your system, then you are ready to learn the data science field. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you.